As you know, getting tickets of Indian local trains without standing in long queues is nearly impossible. So today I'll show you how can you get Indian local train tickets online. At first, go to Play Store. From here, go to UTS. Press install. It will take some time according to your internet speed. From here, press open. Press allow. Under permissions, it asks. From here, go to login. As you don't have an account, you have to press register. Here, give your mobile number. Here, give your name. Here, you have to give your password. It must be above 6 characters. Here, you have to give your gender. From here, you have to give a date of birth. From here, you have to press this I accept. And then you have to press register. After that, an OTP will come to your mobile number that you entered. So, go to your phone and go open up your messages. From here, give your OTP. Press submit. It will give you the message, register successfully. Press OK. From here you have to give your mobile number. You have to give your password here. Then press login. Here you can see there are many options here. At first side is cancel ticket. If you have booked a ticket but you are not going, you can use this button. Here it is a booking history. It will show the tickets that you have booked. Here it is a short ticket. Means the tickets that you booked and is valid. Keep in mind the tickets will be valid just for 1 hour. Here it is the R wallet. It is the feature that allows you to recharge your wallet in this app virtually. If you press this, it will show your R wallet balance is ₹0. You have to recharge it at first. From here, press recharge. Here you have to give your identification details. Here you have to give your ID card number. Means that is Aadhaar card. And then you could just recharge with the online payment gateway. Next is transactions. The transactions that you made with the app. It will show everything. Here it is quick booking. So if you select book and travel and if you press next, it will show no favorite routes defined. Means that the routes that you frequently travel will be shown here during quick booking. From here, as you can see the normal booking, here you have to press book and travel paperless. Here, if it is showing this error, then you have to do it near the station range. So, if it is sometimes problem, you might get this travel without ticket is punishable. So, then you can get it from here. From this print ticket, you can give where you are getting from. As you can see, sometimes spelling mistake might not detect it. So better to know what is the station code of your name. As you can see, the station code BW implies it. From here, give your destination station. From here, press next. It will give you option to select the routes. You can either go via Rankuni or either via Bandal Junction. press this and you can add your how many adults are going, your journey or return ticket type, it is which class, and here most importantly your payment type. It is the same, you can use this because sometimes we might not have balance in our wallet. And here it is ordinary, mail size, express or super fast. You can select any of them. Keep in mind that ordinary is for the local trains, super fast are like Purba expresses or something like that. Mail size express means that Rampurhat express or something like that. From here you can give a child or adult amounts and you have to press get fare. It will show how much your total fare. It will show the next upcoming trains. If you press on it, it will take you to the trains that are coming in bar 1. Here next press book ticket. It will take some time and it will just take you to your payment gateway. Here is platform booking. Platform booking is a thing that if you want to visit someone who has arrived but he is not getting down, so you can do it here. From here it is a season booking. Means it is a system that allows you to book the ticket repeatedly. And here it is the QR code booking. In the platform you will see that a QR code is given. From that you could use that to book a QR code ticket. And here is the logout button. If you use it you can easily log out from here. Also here you can change your language. And if you are having some issues you can also use this help. So I hope you like this video. If you like, please consider by subscribing and liking this video.